Hello and welcome to this video on the serial number location report. The serial number location report allows you to track the location of any of your serial numbers at any one time. This gives you full visibility at any particular point in time as to where any of your serial numbered items are within your particular locations. What's really helpful about this tool is the fact that we can actually pick a date at which we'd like to see the serial numbers that we have in certain locations. For example, if we wanted to see at the start of the month what serial numbers we had in particular locations, we can do this. This gives us a timeline of where those serial numbers have been within the locations that we have within the business. If we want to just have a look at the details of a particular serial number, these numbers are hyperlinked, so we can just click straight into that record. The system stores all of the serial numbers that are currently in stock within the business, so there's no need to worry about any lost serial numbers. We also have a few really handy buttons at the bottom of this screen. For example, if we pick a particular serial number, we can choose to raise a new sales invoice against that particular serial number. Handily, we can also enact a new stock adjustment if we need to. And of course, you can copy this table if you'd like to. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you'd like any further information, don't hesitate to contact Advanced today.